Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Intu's Mom Life. Today we are going to see how to make a healthy sandwich recipe. Come on, let's go to the video. First, let's take a small mixer jar and add some 10 to 12 pepper, then 7 to 8 shallots, 1 green chilli, and then 3 small piece ginger, 1 handful of coriander leaves, then half teaspoon of cumin powder, also known as jeera powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt as per your taste. 1 cup of cooked chana, also known as chickpeas. You can also add more as per your need. Squeeze little lime juice. Now let's grind it all together to a fine paste. Now our green paste is ready. Take 2 slices of bread. I have taken 100% wheat bread. Spread the green paste on each slice of the bread on one side. Spread it evenly. Now let's add some finely chopped onion pieces as a first layer and some finely chopped tomato pieces as a second layer, and then cover it with the other slice of bread and gently press it. Now let's toast this sandwich. Now heat a tawa and spread little ghee or butter. And then sprinkle little sesame seeds. Place the sandwich on it and gently press on it and toast the bread. Now add some ghee or butter on the top of the sandwich and sprinkle little sesame seeds. Turn over the sandwich and gently press again. Now our healthy sandwich is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment.